Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video I want to show you how important a wall socket is. So if you are new here, please I would like to subscribe and like my video. And wall sockets are very important in every home, and in case you are using this kind of wall, good luck to you, because this kind of wall is very strong and is unable to fit in the wall socket. So let me tell you the real reason of using wall sockets. They have kitchen wall socket, and I want to show you different type of wall sockets. So wall socket come with different types depending on the load that you are using in your house. So if you are using a light load, like a little like ceiling fan or standing fan, or all those light load, you need all these wall sockets, which are very available in market, and their features are very good and very bright. So I will like if you able to get this kind of wall socket. I'm going to show you how to connect them, which are very important because they come with different types, different sizes. So if you are using conduit connection, it will help you to go through this wall connection, like you neutral, the phase and the earth. When you connect them, you will be able to fix it without no helping of any electrician to come and help you, which is very easy to connect. So when you know this connection of these three phases, then you're able to fix your lower socket on the wall. So and all these wall sockets they're all the same in the market. The connection is almost the same, so it's very easy for you to fix it by yourself. Look at this double wall socket also. It has its own connection. This is a original double socket. This is a online double socket. So they have their own connection. And this connection also, you have a neutral, the earth, and the negative. You see, negative, the earth, and the positive. So those one, their connection is very good based on what you see. Those symbol that you see there, that's where you focus your wire to. The earth will always be the earth. The positive will always be positive. While the neutral will always be the neutral. Make sure that you connect them according to that symbol, and then you will enjoy fixing your socket. So without this double socket, you will enjoy your home depending on what you see in the wall. So if you have an issue of socket, you can able to fix it by yourself without the help of anybody. So if you are using conduit connection, it's very good to fix socket by yourself. If you're not using conduit connection, then you go and buy the back of the back casing of the socket, so you're able to fix it, which is very important. You see, every socket have a back casing, so you put it and you fix it on your wall. So that is where your work is. At this point, I'm able to convince you that wall sockets are very important. So it depends on the wall socket you are using. So if you are using wall socket in your kitchen, then you go for the higher sockets, the 20 amps and above. All this one I'm showing you is 13 amps. So 13 amp wall socket. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, so that next time you're able to fix it by yourself. Thank you for watching.